Hey everyone. Recently, I was wrestling with glitchy screens and chaotic layouts while building my Jeopardy game. Then, an online quiz wizard stepped in and turned the chaos into smooth sailing. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Trivia Maker dashboard. Once you're logged in, click on Create Games. Pick a grid and select a theme from 5 cool options. Then hit Next, give your game a catchy name and a clear description, and just like that, you're ready to start adding questions. Step 2. Add game details. Notice those icons above? They're your command center. Easily add to playlists, share, or clone. Next, pick a category, tag it, set the age and difficulty, and choose a language if you like. Step 3. Creating questions. You have several options to add questions. For now, I'll go with AI-generated questions. Simply enter your topic, click Generate, select the questions you like, and hit Add. Once you're satisfied, click Save to finalize them. Step 4. Customize your game appearance. Tweak your fonts, buttons, and background colors using our stock palette. For extra flair, add your downloaded logo and background image. Keep the theme song classic and hit Save to lock it in. Step 5. Start playing. Scroll up, tap the play button, and choose your preferred mode. For now, let's go with basic mode, followed by Let's play to start. By the way, I've updated the game to show off the finished Jeopardy experience in Trivia Maker. Notice the internal control panels now visible at the top left and right. To begin, you can click the arrow at the top left corner, or simply select the question board at the top left. I'm clicking the question board now, and just like that, we're on the main stage. Now let's enjoy the game. Boom, your Jeopardy game is live on Trivia Maker. Did this video hit the mark? Drop a like, share your thoughts, and subscribe for more genius hacks.